vlogging and unboxing attempt number 2. Oh no, it's early in the day, isn't it? I'm used to it, so it's okay. I got an unboxing, as I said in the prologue. I haven't had an unboxing to do for a long time. Cost of living crisis and all that. And I thought, well, why should I bother? Well, why not, Paul? Get your ass in gear, do an unboxing. Now, on reflection, this was very impulsive of me. Oh, it's finished. Is there another one coming on? And I thought of cancelling. And I thought, no, you've made the decision, Paul. You stick by it. Can't retrieve what's been done. So, yeah, well, unboxing to do. Was your delivery good or not so good? Well, the fact is, the guy may have knocked on the door and I was dead to the world. I don't know. So I'll have to accept that, because there was nothing put through the letterbox to say this expensive it is. Unboxing is sat on your doorstep in the rain in a thin plastic bag, visible to everyone. Well, it wasn't actually. So I decided to pass over on that, and I was non-committal. Best sometimes to be non-committal. If you commit, you can get yourself in a lot of trouble. So here it is. I think I will need some of these. Oh dear. That's a nasty one, but I can paint on that. My focus is gone again. Focus is gone. Some more illumination. Would that help matters? That's better. Oh, that's a bit bright. Where's my sunglasses? Cost of living crisis, yeah, right. So I've got a shard of glass. I'll polish that up. It's lethal. Might paint on it. Let's put it somewhere safe over there. I could take the other ones out and show you. No, I got this unboxing to do, so I got some scissors. I got some other ones there. Let's get on with it. It's very heavy. Now, yeah, as I was saying, impulsive. Now, come on, you've committed. And this has all been brought about by my recent absurdity with the idea of getting a metal detector. The fact is, I can't walk half a mile, let alone walk 6 miles with a metal detector swinging it around in the air. So that idea has been scotched, and it's going to have to go on a very back boiler with the heat off until I get myself sorted and other people sorted, which is imminent, because I'm not carrying on with the way it is at the moment. It's just not sustainable. So yeah, I took myself off and thought about getting something, a new toy, one that I haven't got, and I've never had such a toy. But as I've just explained, it's going to have to wait. But pursuant to that diversion, I went and ordered some books, didn't I? 2 books. Heavy. And yeah, I've got to vlog it because one of them's going to be extremely special. The other one's going to be quite a nice book as well. And you know I love books. I've got loads of them. And this has got to stop. Yay, another. Carry on. Don't know which one this is. I've forgotten. Now, my honest opinion on reflection is that I may be very disappointed with one of them, the big one, because I was hoping, I did look up DK blank and there's nothing. So anyway, I got something else, which you'll see, and then something else, which I bought simply because of the publisher. So let's see which one comes out of the box first. I hope it's the former and not the other one. See, I like recording this because then I get my reaction. Oh Christ, no, I think I'm gonna be well impressed. Well impressed. They're both big books. And I bet there's no colour plates. No, there's nothing. There we go, disappointment. No colour plates. I wanted colour plates. Still. Never mind. Hey. For 25 years, that middle distance. For 25 years, the Handbook of British Archaeology has been the leading guide to field techniques and artefact and monument recognition. This fully revised and updated edition will ensure its position for another generation. Packed with absolutely up-to-date research, it is the most comprehensive book available, whether you are a specialist or one of the growing number of amateur enthusiasts. Yeah. But there's no pictures. Well, there is pictures. You can see there's pictures. But there is actually a website. I saw it being used in the detectorists. There's a website that's available to anyone to go and consult. And it is absolutely mental. There's like 1 million images of artifacts that have been collected. So that's going to be a lovely, lovely text to have a read of. Because I buy these books and never read them. I've got one on the go, The History of Psychiatry. Yeah. No, it's looking good. I'm sure it will be extremely informative. Extremely informative. Yeah. There we go. And how many pages is that one then? 532. I like that. If, by the way, I conk out, it's because past 3 days I've been incredibly dizzy. Possibly my blood pressure. I should take it. And no joke, if I do pass out, it's because I've had a stroke. Hopefully not, touch wood. Yeah, look, all sorts of things there that you can dig up from the ground when you're a metal detectorist. So that's book number 1. I'm pleased with that. That looks like it's the bee's knees. Oh, this is one of my favourites. Carry On Abroad. Yeah. Book 1. Let's put it with my other books here. These are all recent books as well. Well, this year, I think. Mythology, Greek mythology, art. Shite. No, that's oil paints. Oh, that one was cheap. Tiger Tracks. I want the last panther to go with Tiger Tracks. And I got nowhere to put them. Nowhere. I've even run out of floor space. And we've got 2 others here as well. It's quite nice. This is an old one. And the Mathematics of Astronomy. Yeah, I bought a load of these. Yet to pick them up. I will do one day. Yeah. So that's that. Book number 2. Gosh. Book number 2. Well, judging from book number 1, which has exceeded my expectations, book number 2 should blow me out of the water, I hope. I think it will be similar. It'll have... It's a paperback. The hardback was just stupid money. Yeah. And paperbacks are sort of easier to hold because they're lighter. I'm expecting this one to be, yeah, very good. And I'm sure it is a recognised text. One of what you could call the books to have. Why? Oxford University Press, of course. And you should all know what one of my other Oxford University Press books is. And that's the basically Encyclopedia of Psychiatry, which is an incredible book. And since I bought mine, it's gone up in price by over 10%. Cost of living crisis. Didn't I do well, eh? So this is the other one. Oh, it's a bit ratty. Look at that. What's that all about? The Oxford Handbook of Archaeology. Ready? Yes, Paul. Yes, Paul. You don't do things by halves, do you, Paul? No, I don't. I should get through that one in 2 nights. Archaeology is a vast subject. It is the study of human society everywhere in the world, from distant human origins 3 to 4 million years ago up to the present day. The Oxford Handbook of Archaeology brings together 35 authors, all specialists in their own fields, to explain what archaeology is really about. This is one of the most comprehensive treatments of the subject and of the key debates ever attempted. It is designed to open up the world of archaeology to non-specialists and to provide an essential starting point for those who want to pursue particular topics in more depth. Right. Let's see what's inside. Any pictures? Oh my God, there's not one picture. No. Oh. It's not what I thought it was going to be. Still. The other one's got the illustrations. I love my books, so this will be a nice book. Yeah, there we go. I wonder when I'll pick this one up and read 5 paragraphs consecutively. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for this. It wasn't that much actually, but it was enough. Still. Fireworks, we're coming up to New Year, aren't we? But it's a lovely book, and it's not one that people would rush out and buy. And it smells nice too, I can smell it from here. I'm glad I didn't get the hardback edition. That would have been £100 more on top. Nice. As I say, there's an online resource which is probably better because you couldn't encapsulate all that in a book. It would be like 10 volumes and it would cost thousands or into £1,000 or more. Yeah, there we go. Well, there we go. 2 more books to the other 3,600 or thereabouts I've got. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. So there we go. There's my unboxing. Bye.